time to get our dog to choose which brawler we're gonna use. So Roscoe, you wanna just tap with your nose? Okay, this might be harder than I expected. Oh, he touched it. Come on, one more little boop. Okay, he spun the wheel. Now see what will it land on. Rosa. Okay, so it looks like we're gonna use Rosa. Okay, and I'll see you once we get on Brawl Stars. Okay, guys. So now that we're back, my dog has chosen Rosa as our brawler that we're gonna use, and so this might be a tough one because I'm ranked 20 with Rosa, but we're gonna try to get a win in solo showdown using the random brawler that my dog chose. If you guys want to see more videos like this, just drop a like down and comment dog if you like my dog and you want to see me do more videos with my dog. And go subscribe to Slugs, because it wasn't really his idea, but he helped me with how I'm gonna film this. And a laser beam, he was the one that inspired me. By his dog chose a random drop spot on the map. That's what inspired me. And I do be kind of dead though. Oh, bro! The whole server's like, the whole server wants me dead. Literally, the whole server wants me dead. That's tough. X also Mercy. Go subscribe to him. If we win this game right here, you have to drop a sub. That's the rules. You have to drop a sub if we win this game. Do you know what's crazy? I have power level 8 Rosa, but I don't have the gadget. The only time I really play this game is when I'm filming. I need to play more often. I need to grind for you guys. I need to get to 10,000 trophies for you guys. Okay, I think this is a Pam. Pam, biggity bam. So this might be me running away. Yep, there's the Pam. My health just got beamed, bro. Ooh, look at that balloon. You're trash. Oh, I have my special now. Now they're dead. If you guys are happy for back to school, then drop a like, because you already know I'm not. Hell no, I'm so dead. Oh, the Primo's gonna die. No, he's not. Rosa was a bad pick. I don't like Rosa. I mean, she was the first ever brawler I got to rank 8, rank 20. Like, I just don't like Rosa. I want the slurp. Bro, give me the slurp. If I get the slurp. Oh my god. No, bro. 4,000 health. If I played that smarter. I didn't know I had that much time left on my slurp juice. Looks like I don't get any likes on this video because I died. That's tough. If you guys want to know what editing software I use, InShot, it's only Android. You can't get it on iOS because Apple. I'm just kidding. Apple's good. The stupid Apple versus Android debate. Like, literally no one cares, bro. It's a phone. Or it's other stuff. But, like, oh, hell no. To the no. What's this, Shelly? I will push now. Yeah, shoot. I dare you. Shoot. Shoot one more time. On jaw. Now you have no more shots. Later. And I have nasty range. Okay, I take it back. Rosa's not that bad. So I'm like, more slurp juices. I'm just gonna camp mid, trying to find a slurp. Easy. Let's go. 4 left. Is this the game that we win? For the boys? That was a big waste of a super. No lie, no scam. And that's a level 2. He literally just used his special, nothing happened. That's tough. How does he not know? This guy's literally dumb fun. Don't grab the slurp juice. Okay, it's a 1v1. He has another slurp juice, so my best bet is to run to the back corner. Bro, this game is so garbage. Oh my god, bro. This challenge is hard. If you guys have a dog, I highly recommend you choose this challenge because it's pretty much just a random brawler challenge, but with a little bit of a twist because we got the dog. Who doesn't like a dog? If you're a cat person, unsubscribe. Just kidding, you're probably not subscribed because I have like 2 subscribers. Why am I fighting that? The Jackie would have won if she kept on running. Hey yo, that's a Rosa check. Doobie doo. Doobie doo 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 doo. Hey yo, go check out my TikTok. Actually, go check out the clan TikTok. It's Exile Clan, except it's CN because they have no shots. Yeah, I'm not dumb. You seem like 1 bullet per shot. You're actually garbage, my guy. You're actually garbage. Literally uninstall. I mean, you missed your special. You're gonna absolutely. Why do 1,000 damage per punch? What is that? Colt is. It's a maxed out Colt. Rest in peace, my trophies. Actually, I think I've only gained trophies. If you guys want to see a Clash Royale video, then say Clash in the type in Clash in the comments. So I was good at the game. I had like 4,000 trophies, but then I stopped playing. Reason unknown. And now I restarted and I'm at like 1,500 trophies. Bro, oh my god. Just grab some boxes. Now I'm out of here. I think it's safe to say that I have a good amount of boxes. They have more than me, and it's a Shelly. Yeah, I'm gonna get absolutely pooped on by that Shelly, and where I am. Shelly's probably like easy claps right now, guys. I'll show you what easy claps looks like. Just kidding. Oh, there's the last 3 guys. Use your special on Brock. Don't use it on me. Use it on the Shelly, bro. Killing the Shelly is your best chance. And you wasted it, you potato. Bro, there's no cover between me and the Shelly now. What am I supposed to do, bro? What am I supposed to do? They literally teamed on me. No way you lose this, Shelly. Better. If you guys want to see a road to 10,000 trophies, drop a like down in the description. Hey, yo, I got a box check. Do we? Oh, it's just Brawl Box. It's going to be like, drop a like and we're going to get something good. But in reality, no, we're not. Can't upgrade anything. Sorry I haven't been uploading that much. I've been busy with stuff that's not YouTube. But I'm gonna try to get back to daily posts. Daily posts. I never daily post. Break the box. Come on, break the box. You're dumb. No, how to shoot that way? Bro, there's a Leon too. Disgusting. I just want my super. I literally just want my super. Oh my god, why? So annoying. Okay, time to do a big fat cut in the video. I'm gonna cut out a lot of games. It's only like 10 on the video. You're bad. You're bad. You're bad. Bro, get absolutely bodied. Easy claps, my guy. This is an easy kill. Wanna know why? It's a Piper with Juan, and I'm close range. You get Storm. This is gonna be too easy. Just kidding. This Rose is insanely bad, and I suck at this game. Let's go. Anybody? No? Anybody? No? Yes. Oh my god. Slurp juice. Come on. This is the game. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Easy wins. And that's this challenge done. Comment down below the next challenge you guys want to see me do. And if you want to see me play more with Exile Clan, just to say that in the comments. And yeah, that all being said, peace out, guys.